Offices large and small in search of a dependable color laser printer should consider the Brother HL L8360CDW. This printer produces fast, high-quality prints in both black and color at speeds up to 33 pages per minute. The HL L8360CDW offers low-cost output due to super high-yield 6500-page replacement toner cartridges. The Brother HL L8360CDW business wireless laser printer offers multiple connectivity options. Connect via wireless or Gigabit Ethernet network interfaces or print from popular mobile devices. A 2.7 inches touchscreen display offers easy menu navigation and printing from popular business cloud services including Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and more. This Brother printer also has advanced security features such as an integrated NFC card reader for easy badge authentication, and Active Directory support for network user authentication. The security features help protect against unauthorized device access and control costs by restricting printing on a per-user or group basis. The HL L8360CDW is also Dash Replenishment enabled. When you activate this feature, Dash Replenishment will continuously measure the toner level and order more from when it's low. This unique Brother feature keeps busy office workspaces operating at peak efficiency, ensuring you don't run out of toner. Brother is dedicated to superior customer service and offers a 1-year limited on the HL L6200DW business laser printer. We also offer free at-your-side support for the life of your product, featuring online, phone, or live chat assistance. Based on one-sided printing. Change from default setting required. Requires connection to a wireless network. Approximate cartridge yield in accordance with ISO IEC 19798, letter A4. Requires an internet connection and an account with desired service. Top reviews from the United States. Great little color laser for home. This printer prints great and actually comes with full-size toner cartridges and not just starters like some printers come with.